Hey friends, if you wish to fix display settings not working in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart the File Explorer menu. So search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar. Click on Task Manager. Right click on the Windows Explorer process. If you don't find it here, you'll find it at the bottom in the background processes and select Restart. Your screen will flicker for a while and then it will be stable. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is to reinstall the graphics card drivers. I would rather say update them. So search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar. Click on Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the AMD Radeon Graphics one and update the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.